There's many different types of sealed products produced by manufacturers, each at different price points and each containing different cards from the same set. A hobby box is the standard that most people mean when they refer to a box of cards. These boxes are sold at card shops and online distributors. The odds of finding a rarer card, variant, parallel, autograph, or relic are much higher than other products. Some hobby boxes will also guarantee a certain number of variant or parallel, autograph, or relic cards in the box. A jumbo box is a larger version of a hobby box, typically with less packs but more total cards. Generally, these boxes have the best odds of finding rarer cards, so therefore it is a more expensive box configuration than a hobby box. A blaster box is a small box of cards that generally includes an extra pack for the same value as buying the same number of packs individually. For example, a pack may cost $5 individually, so the cost of 5 packs individually would be $25. A blaster box may contain 6 packs for the price of $25. This is the value of the blaster box. These boxes are generally sold at major retail establishments like Target and Walmart. The odds of finding variants or parallels, autographs, and relics are much lower than a hobby box. The packs in a retail box are intended for individual sale, meaning a retail box is meant to be shipped to a retailer who will sell the packs individually. Unlike other box configurations, there are usually no guarantees of pull rates for variants or parallels, autographs, or relics. The odds of finding variants or parallels, autographs, and relics are much lower than a hobby box. Light boxes are a smaller version of a hobby box, generally with fewer cards and less rare cards. The odds of finding variants or parallels, autographs, and relics are much lower than a hobby box. Hanger boxes are designed to be hung from a hook rather than sit on a shelf for retail purposes. These boxes are sold at major retail establishments like Target and Walmart. The odds of finding variants or parallels, autographs, and relics are much lower than a hobby box.